welcome to this MySQL tutorial series. In this course, we will be learning every subject that we need to manage MySQL database and servers. Whether you're absolutely new to MySQL and databases or you have a background about them, this course will walk you through all the subjects that you need to confidently control and manage MySQL servers and application databases. As you may already know, MySQL is one of the most powerful database management systems that has been used way more than its other competitors. MySQL is a free and open source relational database. In relational databases like MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, and so on, different information are stored in a database in a categorized way and related to each other. Of course, there are other types of databases like MongoDB, InfluxDB, and so on that work with different terms. But in most cases, relational databases are the best choice when we want to deal with the data in a structured and classified manner. In this course, I will be describing everything from scratch. First of all, we will install and secure the MySQL server on our operating system or online server, depending on your choice, and then we will be going on with the journey and learning how to secure, monitor, control, execute different types of commands, and work with the server the way that we get whatever we want from the MySQL server. Of course, there are tools like Workbench, PHPMyAdmin, etc. that can help us perform some of the actions using graphical user interface and make the work a little bit easier in some cases. But in this course, we want to leave all those tools aside and deal with the MySQL server using the SQL language and the MySQL command line interface head-on. This way, I will be sure that you can get whatever you want from the server in the future, no matter what the situation is or how sophisticated the operation is. About the operating system, I will be using Linux, specifically a Debian 12, but if you are a user of another distributions or operating systems, you can still follow the course with no problem, since the only tool that we want to use during the course is a simple terminal that is available for all operating systems. The only thing that you may need to do a little bit research for if you're not a Linux user is the server installation process if you have not already installed MySQL Server on your system. The last thing I want to tell you about is the course material and lectures. This course is made of more than 40 short and long videos, and during that we will be learning about installing, uninstalling, securing the server, controlling the service, working with users on privileges, monitoring and controlling processes, working with databases, tables, columns, and any type of commands related to them, importing and exporting data using different file types, securing and getting backups, combined, customized, and sophisticated commands, connecting to MySQL using programming languages like PHP, Python, C++, and Bash script, and much more. As you have noticed, this is a serious hands-on project that we're starting together, and I'll do my best to make it as fruitful as possible for you. And instead, I want you to pay attention to every detail that I talk to you about, and if you have the possibility, practice each lesson a few times to make sure your memory has put an anchor on it. Also, note the video description and attachments for source code and other materials that may come with each lesson. This course is presented to you by Arashtad.com. Arashtad is an IT company providing design and development services, products, courses, online tools, affiliate programs, and other types of content. If you're interested in any of those, visit our homepage at Arashtad.com and join us there or on other public platforms that we are active on. With all that being said, I appreciate your time and hope this course covers all your need about MySQL. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with the first lesson in the next video.